Does that look familiar to you? Are you cracking your own neck just to try to loosen it up? My name is Dr. Paul. I'm the sports and family chiropractor here at Koru Chiropractic in Louisville, Colorado. My patients are asking me a lot, is cracking my own neck bad for me? The answer is yes, with a little caveat. The caveat is if you are just moving your head in normal everyday motion and you do hear a pop or a crack, as long as there's no pain, typically that's okay. If you are using your hand to manipulate your neck, that's when the issue comes. So we have soft tissues in our neck that help to stabilize it. And when we're trying to self-manipulate, the only thing that we're doing is loosening those soft tissues and destabilizing the neck. And at that part, we're only addressing the top of the neck. More often than not, the issue is also at the bottom of the neck. So when we're interacting with the world, desk work, schoolwork, technology, our children, we're in this forward head posture position that puts a lot of stress and tension on the bottom of the neck. Then the top of the neck has to operate in a different way, making us feel like we need to address it by self-manipulation. Chiropractic for this is going to be paramount because we're going to be able to go to the root cause of where the issue is. We're specifically trained to find these areas of misalignment and stuckness to then free those areas up so that the body can then operate in a full range of motion and that the nerves that are going to all these soft tissues and the rest of the body can then flow at 100%. Doing a postural check is also going to be really important because posture can have a big play in this as well. It's also important to understand why we're feeling like we need to crack our neck in the first place. How are we interacting with technology, our work, our children, our schoolwork, so on and so forth? If we're in this forward head position, your neck is not going to feel great after the end of the day, after the end of the week, the month, the year, so on and so forth. So addressing this in the little ways can really make a profound difference in the long run. So if you're a desk worker, raising your desk, or at least just raising your monitor can make a huge difference. If you're interacting with your kids, getting on their level instead of looking down. If you're using technology like a phone or a laptop, doing that on your stomach so that you're in an extended position can be great for you. If you're out in public, just bringing your phone to your face instead of your face to your phone is going to make a huge difference for you. What you can also do is half of this battle is going to be habitual. So in the beginning, getting adjusted is going to be great. Fixing your posture is going to be awesome. And then fixing your environment is going to be great too. But some of it is neurological. So the habit part of this is going to be a little bit hard to kick. I know this from personal experience because I cracked my neck for about 10 years. My neck did not feel great after 10 years. The habit part was a little harder to kick towards the end. So what I did for myself was anytime that I feel like I needed to crack my neck, what I would do is just give it a little love. So you can roll it left to right, you can roll it right to left. You can then go right to your right shoulder, left to your left shoulder, chin to ceiling and chin to chest. And just doing that a couple times throughout the day can really make a difference in loosening up the neck, but also breaking that habit of feeling like you need to crack it. So if you're in the Denver metro area and you're looking for a chiropractor to help you out with some neck discomfort when you're either sleeping, at your desk, interacting with your kids or technology, come over to Koru Chiropractic. If you're not in the Denver metro area, I definitely recommend seeing a chiropractor for this instead of hammering at it yourself and then eventually just loosening up these structures over time, causing a bigger issue in the future.